In this video, I'm going to go over 3 different methods you can use to actually make money selling used books in 2024. And the first is to make sure that you're purchasing good books. So a lot of people get in the book game and they'll buy books that are either low profit or they're just never going to sell. So that's why it's so important to use Scout IQ or Scout Lease triggers. And I recommend, the first few triggers are $2 to $3 profit. It wouldn't hurt to raise those a couple of dollars. You can 100% send a $2 profit book to Amazon, but my philosophy is I'm not going to pay $1 for a book that is only maybe going to bring back $2, because if that $2 profit turns into $1 profit, then I'm left with break even because I invested $1 in a book that is only going to bring me $1 back. So, but alternatively, if I have the book in my possession, if I already purchased it or I got a free book pickup or something like that, and it is a $2 profit book, that's, even if I only get $1 back from Amazon, that's still $1 profit for me because it's either sunk cost or a free book. Hopefully that makes sense. So I'm not saying don't send $2 profit books to Amazon, but when it comes to investing your money in a book, you got to realize the price of books fluctuate up and down, and you want to make sure you're buying, higher priced books that are going to bring more profit to you. So, tip number 1 is make sure you're buying good inventory. And really the default triggers for Scout IQ and Scoutly are pretty good. I would just raise the first few triggers and be weary of them. Don't go buy a bunch of $2 profit books that have super high sales ranks. So when it comes to high sales rank books, you can send in high sales rank books. It's okay if only 10-20% of the books that you send in that are over 2 million sales rank actually sell. Because if those books sell at $50 profit plus, who cares if 8 of them don't sell or nine of them don't sell out of 10, because the one that does sell is going to bring you $50 profit and make up for the rest. So don't be afraid to send in high profit, high sales rank books either. But remember, high sales rank books must have high profit. So that's number 1. Number 2, to ensure that you're successful in 2024, is be consistent. Set a weekly sourcing goal. A good weekly sourcing goal that a lot of beginners like to start out with is 100 books a week. I'm going to find 100 profitable books a week, pack them in a box, send them to Amazon FBA. Stick to it. Set your weekly sourcing goal. Get your route that you're going to go hit, or however you're sourcing your books. There's thousands of ways to source books. Maybe not thousands, but dozens of ways to source books. Maybe there are thousands of ways. I don't know. You guys comment below. Maybe there's some ways I don't know about, but at least 15, 20 different ways to get books. Make sure you're tapping into all the different ways to get books every week. Get your 100 books, ship them to Amazon. If you guys want to challenge yourself in a community of like-minded people that are on the same mission, sending profitable used books to Amazon FBA, click the link below for my Feed the Beast challenge. And that's where we hold each other accountable. We do weekly coaching calls, 100% free. You get access to my step-by-step course showing you how to find books, list books, reprice books, all that. So that's number 2. And number 3 is make sure that you're not just hitting thrift stores and libraries. Consider other methods of getting books, which is, you could go on Craigslist, you could go on Facebook Marketplace, estate sales are great. You could go to library sales, go to booksalefinder.com, estatesales.net, hit up these different websites, put the library sales in your calendar, call every library in your local area, set the date that they're having the library sale on your calendar. I promise if you do these things, you're gonna get thousands of dollars in profit. But you have to think outside the box, and you can't just go to thrift stores and used bookstores and libraries. You have to eventually get to where the books were before they were on the shelf of these locations, which is, people's houses. So tap in your network, network with clean out companies, close out companies. Like there are thousands of ways to find books, probably. There's so many ways that I'm not even talking about in this video. So those are the 3 ways that you can ensure success in 2024 selling used books on Amazon. If you guys enjoyed this video, click the like button below and make sure to join that Feed the Beast challenge. See you guys in there.